Oris watches offer reliable and innovative timepieces for the discerning watch enthusiast. Built to withstand extreme conditions, Oris watches combine Swiss craftsmanship with contemporary design. Each watch is carefully crafted to deliver exceptional performance, precision, and style. Whether you're a diving enthusiast or a casual watch wearer, an Oris watch is the perfect companion for your next adventure. Discover the world of Oris watches and experience unparalleled Swiss-made quality. I included all the link in video description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Oris Payoon Limited Edition 2022. Striking and unique timepiece that celebrates the beauty and culture of Thailand. The watch features a deep blue dial with golden accents that represent the colors of the Thai flag, while the case back is engraved with the Payoon waterfall, a popular destination in Thailand. The watch is powered by a reliable automatic movement and comes with a matching blue leather strap. Limited to just 1,234 pieces, this watch is a must-have for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate both the art and engineering of fine timepieces. Number 4. Oris Aquis Limited Edition Lake Baikal Watch. Commemorates the deepest lake in the world. With a stainless steel case and bracelet, it features a blue dial and unidirectional rotating bezel. The watch is powered by the Oris 733 automatic movement and has a date function at 6 o'clock. Water resistant up to 300 meters, this watch is perfect for diving or everyday wear. The case back features an engraved image of Lake Baikal and its unique serial number. This limited edition timepiece is a must-have for any Oris collector or diving enthusiast. Number 3. Oris Carysfort Reef Limited Edition Watch. One of the most beautiful and endangered coral reefs in the world. This watch has a stunning blue dial with an embossed pattern inspired by the coral reefs and features a stainless steel case with a unidirectional rotating bezel. The automatic movement ensures precision timekeeping, and the watch is water-resistant up to 300 meters, making it suitable for diving. With a limited production of only 2,000 pieces, this watch is a must-have for any watch collector or marine enthusiast. Number 2. Oris ProPilot X Calibre 400-2023. Remarkable pilot's watch with an impressive set of features. This limited edition timepiece has a durable titanium case with a black DLC coating that houses the Calibre 400 automatic movement. The movement provides a power reserve of up to 120 hours and has a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour. The watch also features a bi-directional rotating bezel, a day and date display, and luminescent hands and markers for easy readability. The ProPilot X Calibre 400 is a stunning watch that is designed for aviation enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 1. Oris Big CrownPointer Date 80th Anniversary Men's Watch. Classic that celebrates the brand's rich aviation heritage. This limited edition timepiece features a sleek stainless steel case, a stunning green dial with golden accents, and a signature pointer date function. Powered by the Oris 754 automatic movement with a power reserve of 38 hours, this watch is built to last. With a water resistance of up to 50 meters and a comfortable leather strap, the Oris Big CrownPointer Date 80th Anniversary Men's Watch is perfect for any occasion and is sure to become a cherished addition to any collection.